Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Rito here, and thank you so much for stopping by to watch my video. So just a quick disclaimer, I am using natural lighting to film this video. I'm in my bedroom and the window is right in front of me, but the sun is playing me because it's going up and down. So if you see a little bit of change in lighting, just know that that's the struggle we are actually struggling with right now. Second disclaimer, in my last video, if you saw my last video, if you haven't, please go and watch it. I mentioned that I was still recovering from a tooth extraction, and this time around I don't know what is it, even though the doctor said I had nothing to worry about. My jaw still hurts a little bit, so I might talk a little funny sometimes, because when I talk for a while, sometimes I start to feel like I'm feeling pain at the back. Today's video is going to be me dyeing my hair. Well, I wouldn't call it dyeing. I would say, how do I call it? Retouching my hair, so to say, because I have, I'm blonde. Well, I have blonde hair before, but I need to retouch it because, oh well, it's time. I've been trying to wait 4 to 6 weeks in between my retouches so that my hair doesn't get damaged. You're advised to wait 4 to 6 weeks in between dye. The only dye that I use is the one I've been using since the beginning, since I dyed my hair. This is the Blonde Me. Well, I'll put the name in the description because I don't want to butcher it, because it says Schwahokoff. But it's the Blonde Me Bond Enforcing Premium Lightener 9+, dust free powder, blah blah blah. And this is the one I always use. This is the one I like. I love this one on my hair. My hair likes it and it does really good. It is a little pricey compared to other like dyes. What should I say? Bleaches? Yeah, bleaching, not dye, bleach my hair. It is a little pricier, but it works and I really like it, so that's what I'm using. I have the developer here. It is an oil formula moisture maintaining developer, so it makes sense that my hair actually always feels soft after this. I've never had to worry about over drying of my hair. So this is what I'm going to be using. I have my tools right here. I have my comb, I have my, is it rat tail comb, and I have the brush and the mixing spatula. I am going to mix my bleach right now. So I just realized that I don't have a lot of bleach left. I didn't realize this when I made this decision to bleach my hair today, but I'm bleaching my hair today, so we're gonna see. Actually, I think probably the main problem would be the developer. I'm wondering if it's dangerous to add water in my developer, but I think it's gonna be enough. So I would add that here and mix. I like to mix like a little and then add as I need as I go, because that just works better for me. Also, don't worry, I'm going to go and find my my gloves. Never do this without a glove, trust me, believe me. Okay, so I have my developer in here and that. So I have basically 1 scoop of this. It has like a measuring scope in it. I have 1 scoop of this, and for the developer, I won't lie to you, I don't have a measurement, I just eyeball it, okay? So I learned the hard way that you need to mix this really well. Do not over mix, of course, but you need to mix it. I time myself. I have my phone here. I'm gonna time myself is 1:35, and I'm gonna time myself for 5 minutes or 3 to 5 minutes to mix and make sure that there are no dry parts, and to make sure that it's smooth. And then I'm going to leave it to sit for 2 minutes to 3 minutes so that it can actually be well, you know, activated and everything before you apply it on your hair. If you don't mix it well, I read it's going to hurt, it's going to burn, which I have actually experienced. So that's not a lie. That's not just something hairdressers tell you to make it seem like their job is hard. This is what we have. I have, oh yeah, it's running enough to be applied to the hair. Now, I'm going for a totally platinum blonde look, okay? So expect that. So it's going to stay on my hair long enough to get that, because I have darker roots, so that needs enough time. My hair, so.
Oh, okay. You're trying to tell them how you're doing.
Yeah.
Okay, that's the nice one. All right, now we'll talk later.
Bye now, go there.
Bye now. Nice day.
Please don't tell me anything in the comment section. I know I'm supposed to use gloves. I can't find my gloves, okay? And I've already mixed my face, so I'm gonna use my hands and I'm going to wash my hands immediately. But don't do this. Before you do it, please make sure you have gloves. You will notice that I am not actually applying anything in my edges because my edges are quite thin, and so I kind of I make sure to be done and make sure that I've distributed everywhere first, and then my edges are the last place to get it because they will actually bleach quite fast. Make sure that I have everything bleached. Now I can't see the back of my hair, so I can only do what I can do. Trash bag. I'm doing this the Ras way because, well, I don't know where anything is anymore, so covering your hair helps the bleach to work faster because the heat from your head, when it's covered, can actually enhance the bleach. My hair to keep the heat in and let it, do its job, and I'm gonna wait for 30 minutes. Right now we are at 2:14 and we started from 1:58, so give or take 20 minutes left. Okay guys, so I'm back. I just washed up the bleach. I left it on, actually, let me be honest, I said I was going to leave it for only 30 minutes, but then I remembered from experience that when I left it on for just 30 minutes, it didn't really get to this light shade that I really wanted, so I left it on for an hour. Now remember that I didn't just start bleaching my hair today. I started from a little bit of blonde, and I kind of moved up, so you cannot just bleach on the same day and then leave it on to get to this point because you might damage your hair, so keep that in mind. But I'm going to tone my hair. Now I don't have the normal toners that you see on YouTube, everybody is using it and all that. I have this one that I got from here in Budapest. It's from this brand called Shosh, and it is, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it the Hungarian way or that's actually what the name is pronounced like, but it's SYOSS, and it is for platinum blonde, and it is anti-yellow effect, and it lasts up to 8 washes. So this is Sunday. I actually started this video on Saturday. I had my friend cut it for me today because, well, to an extent he's the only one that should be touching my head. So this is what my haircut looks like. I feel like this is my comfortable length. Anything shorter than this makes me look awkward, and anything longer than this. I just feel like I don't really like it. But yeah, this is what my hair looks like. I still have a lot of work to do on the toning side of things. The toner that I used yesterday works a little bit, but it doesn't do the job as good as I would love it to do. Okay, so to wash my hair after bleaching, I use the L'Oreal Series Expert. If it will just, yep. So I use the L'Oreal Series Expert Archive Polyphenols Blondifier Cool. I don't think that this is the one I should be using at this point. I have the mask that I apply after it. This, I noticed that after I wash my hair, like even after bleaching, after a week or a while, I noticed that they help my hair to have a lot more shine and a lot more, like it's more vibrant. So that's why I actually really like this one. This is what I use to condition my hair. This is the Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Hydrating Cream Conditioner. Now I know there are people who would say that I'm not natural because I have bleach on my hair. Okay, bleach is chemical, but I still use this and it works. It says that it is made for curls, coils and waves. I go in with my styling mousse. I love this one. I've tried is it Nairobi one? Nairobi? I'm not sure. Is it Nairobi? They call it like the blue one. I don't like it on my natural hair. I do like it on other things. This I prefer on my hair, and I also prefer it when I'm styling when I used to style my wigs. So I would really advise that you try this one first, and if you don't like it, then try it. But my hair does feel good with this, and it does define my curls at the top here. I mix it with my Cantu Shea Butter Natural Hair Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream. It activates curls and delivers volume and shine. I do it for the curls and the shine because it does give your hair shine, and it does moisturize the hair and keep moisture in, and just leaves the hair feeling really, really nice when you style it. So I really, really adore this product. All these products are products that I have tried and tested, and I really, really like how they look on my hair and feel on my hair. Now, of course, I'm open to trying new products, but these are ones I can actually promise you that I know it works for my hair. So if you really wanted to try it, I hope it works for you. But yeah, that's it actually. This is all I have to show you about bleaching or retouching my hair. I hope you liked this video, and if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you would like me to do a video about how I style my hair, I could do that. I just feel like it's so simple and it's going to be really, really short. I would ask my friend if he's comfortable to be on camera, to cut my hair on camera, so you can see the process that we go through, the fighting and the arguing that we go through. But I just need to trust him because he always does a good job. Then I will kind of add that into the video and show you how everything goes. If you live in Budapest, I can give you his number so he can cut your hair and you can pay for it. Okay, and yeah, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Have a lovely evening and bye.